morning and welcome to Occam's Razor, gardening, cooking, and canning, where we are now doing the odd update on the end of the garden. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, please give us a follow, a thumbs up. Well, last night there was a risk of frost, and it didn't actually happen. It only went down to 4 degrees, but we're a little further away from where the meteorological censoring data is, out on Baker Island, which is an adjunct to the base here on 8 Wing Trenton. Temperature only went down to 4 degrees. So yeah, we did not get the killer frost yet. But I do have some squashes in here which should be collected. And realistically, as soon as the spaghetti squashes here turn golden like this, they're ready to grab, they're ready to go. Just leaving them out here is just as good. I mean, as long as the stem looks like it's still giving it food, and as long as it's protected from the elements, this is just as good as storing it. How are we doing here? So, nope, it's not frost damage, it's discoloration. Yeah, the first frost, of course, will just finish these. Oh, something just fell in there. Things are slowly starting to rot away. Yeah, still getting the odd zucchinis. I'm sure, let's go over the zucchinis, you'll see we still have some. Well, as a matter of fact, here's one growing right there. I always grow a little more bulbous up there than they do down here. I had almost a sneaky zucchini growing right here yesterday. So still want to try to produce one here. No. All right, we go down here. Flower. Oh yeah, there's another one. And I'll go out and pick some more beans today. Those will go good with a little lamb stew. And the potatoes, of course, they can be dug up anytime. The stems haven't completely died, but the tops are still there. But just, I mean, look at these leaves, eh? Now, here we have some nice fresh leaves, nice and green, and these here were just as green a couple days ago. Look how quickly this mildew powder just collects here. It's just endemic to this area with the way the humidity is. Now, if we had more temperate temperatures that wouldn't go down as long and increase the growing season, then it would be worth to continue to control that vine. Treat it with turmeric to control the mildew. But literally, we're just any day now with the frost coming in, just to say, okay, that's it. And even when we do get the frost, the kale survives. There's something about this makeup of this leaf, just the way it dissipates the humidity and the way it just protects itself when the frost hits this crinkly part. I should really eat some kale today. That looks like really nice kale. Okay, let's eat some kale today. All right, let's go in the front for a quick view. Did I mention today was Saturday, the 20th? Oh, I think I just scared something. I just seen Is he seen? Oh, there he is. Yeah, little black squirrel. Don't worry, buddy. He was up on top of the sunflower having a munch there. I must have scared him. He leaped right off. All right, well, we won't be too long. He can get back to his munching. Yeah, so the vine's still feeding the pumpkin. So we won't necessarily just rip that off yet. And this is coming to its end, but look, there's still a lot of... Are there any seeds? Oh, there's one or two. Other than that, it's done. Done like dinner. I'm just gonna leave it up for until after Halloween. Just to add to the creepiness if we actually do any decorations out here. Morning glories still doing their thing along the back wall because they're coming from this monstrosity. Of course, our other sunflower, the squirrel buffet, and notice this starting yesterday, starting to die off here. It's not too long now. Not too long for the end of the morning glories. All right. Again, it's just another quick look up to see how we are doing as the growing season is waiting for the frost to bring it to an end. If you got to the end, I really appreciate it. Other than that, we'll see you next time we do an update on the garden. Bye-bye.